I'm going to hike the Appalachian Trail. Yes, all 2,191 miles.
Back on the trail.
Another view.
So this is the start of section.
See you in a couple weeks. I got to go climb some of those. Bye. Hi guys. Morning, day 4. Stayed here at Bear Garden Hostel. Very nice place. Got everything you could ever want as a hiker. Bertie and Bob are a great host. They actually happen to be from Highland, Michigan. And so after 30 years up there, they came down here, are running this hostel and taking care of hikers. So she stopped by this morning, said goodbye on her way to church. So this next stretch here has limited water, so I'm loaded up fully with water, and it's a high climb. So hope I make it to the next water source. Stay tuned. Yeah, tough climb, but pretty. Hi guys, only about an hour into today's hike and found this perfect log just stretched across the trail. So it says take a break, Rick. So I'm sitting down just enjoying the view. Well, the view through the trees and the nice breeze. And get a drink. So I believe this is Mall Knot, and now it's downhill to Mall Knot Shelter. So I'll check in at the shelter. Hi guys, just a couple miles in, made it to Knot Mall Shelter. Looks like a pretty nice shelter. Set up here, picnic table, an extra picnic table over in the distance over there. Got a nice fire pit right close to the shelter, and looks like a cooking grate. So if you want to pack some heavy food up here, you could cook out and eat well. But a little too early for me to stop, so I'm going to head on up to Chestnut Knob Shelter, or Chestnut Shelter, or I'm going to head up to the other shelter. I'll just put it that way. And unfortunately, it's a long climb. I've got about 2,000 feet of elevation gain the rest of the day. So filming might be sporadic. And I might be very red, flush-faced too. So, okay, with that, I'm gonna move out and keep hiking. Another creek bed, all dried up. Keep moving on for water. I heard something really big splashing around over here. Oh, it's a deer. That's a deer splashing around, drinking. Could be the same 2 deer I saw earlier. Deer just walking down the river. Hi guys, I made it to Lick Creek. I'm on the bridge standing right now. So looking down there, I just spent my lunch watching this white-tailed deer frolic in the water. And then he just started walking right down the riverbed, so, or I should say stream bed, it's not very big. So that's what it looks on the other side. And over there, under the tree, if you can still see my backpack, is where I'm camped for lunch. So I'll go finish my lunch and then keep hiking. Finally found water. So exciting, right? Yeah. So I filtered all my water and I got a full load to haul up 5 miles for 2,000 feet. So it's gonna be a tough afternoon. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film. I'm sure I'm gonna be out of breath, so I sure won't be talking. So maybe I'll just take some pictures. See you at the top. Whoa, look at this. Oh, trail magic. Let's check it out. Oh, everything's gone. Oh well. Somebody enjoyed it. It was a nice thought. Whoever brought it out for everybody. Okay. Coming up to Virginia Route 625. Yeah, dirt road. What's this? Port Valley Hostel. And then a 3-mile hitch towards Blandon, shuttle to town, pet friend. Yeah. Nah, just stay at a hostel. Gonna go up the mountains and camp at Chestnut Shelter. I hear it's got some spectacular views, so. There we go. Got a dried up creek bed. So, on the guide, this was called a stream. You can see, it used to probably have a lot of water, but it's been pretty dry down here for the last week and a half, so. Oh well, there's a pond about 1.5 miles ahead. This must be the side trail to the pipe part of the pond. So I hear there's no water at the shelter, so I have no choice but to carry a full load up this next 1.5 miles. I am tired of field walking. I gotta go all the way up there. See the white blaze? Almost even with that tree. Check it up there. My first glimpse of Chestnut Shelter. That's what it's all about right there. The view. Okay, here's a quick tour of Chestnut Knob. Yeah, got a thermometer in there. Looks more like a hostel. It's got all these bunk spaces here. So my understanding is this place used to be the old fire warden's accommodations up on this mountain. So it looks like there used to be a fireplace there and somebody had to draw one in. So, oh, there we go. Again, that's Chestnut Knob Hostel. Haha, kidding, shelter. Hi guys, checking in at Chestnut Shelter. Chestnut Knob Shelter to be specific. After a 11-mile hike. Some pretty tough terrain today. I'm feeling it. So behind me, that's the shelter. Kind of unique. It's one of the very few shelters that has 4 walls and a door and windows that are closed. So I'm gonna wait and see what the weather looks like later before I either pitch my tent or stay inside the shelter. It's all part of the experience, right? And then look over there, down in the valley down there, is my view for dinner. So it's pretty nice. I'll get some more pictures with the other camera. So I'll see you in the morning.